Hi guys, good morning or good evening or whatever. It's that I need some some Indian air because this AQI is not helping me. Anyways, it's 1 a.m. in the morning or in midnight on in Abu Dhabi, and I'm heading to Kolkata to meet my friends there, and I'm just packing right now.
Follow this road for 1 kilometre, then enter the roundabout, then take the second exit.
Now, since I have a lot of time, so I'm going to the lounge because I came like 1 hour earlier and I wanted to go to this lounge since a while now because I am staff traveling every time, so I always get my tickets at the very last minute. But I hope this lounge is free now. Doesn't seem so, but let's see. So, a quick update, guys. My card denied, and although I have free access to lounge unlimited times, but I still cannot do it because I changed my card very recently and this new card doesn't have the benefits. However, I just got myself these two combinations, and I'm just gonna be eating this, although I'm gonna be having my lunch in the flight, but till the time I'll be way too hungry, so I just grabbed these two. Now let's see, and let's go to the boarding gate, and it's so far. It's like I'm walking since like 6 minutes or something, or maybe 10. My goodness, this is so quiet. If even a pin drops, I can hear it. By the way, that's my boarding gate, guys. I just wanted to be away from people, so now I've come to this place where nobody's here except me. I'm talking so slowly because, as I said, even a pin drops, it will sound here. So see, now I can eat this packet with sheer grace, just like an Indian. Loading was completed, and I am going to my aircraft. Not as a crew, but as a passenger.
حضرات الضيوف الكرام، أسعد الله مساءكم بكل خير. أهلا بكم على متن الطائرة. اسمي ماريهانو، يسرني أن أكون واحدة من أفراد طاقم الطائرة الذين لخدمة.
I'm so happy, guys.
Ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. My name is Roxanne and I'm a cabin senior on this flight to Kolkata. Etihad means United in Arabic, and just like our name, our diverse crew is delighted to come together to welcome you on board.
so happy guys. I'm so happy. बहुत सालों बाद महीनों बाद मिल रहे हैं हम लोग. लेकिन it almost feels like same. Every time I meet my aunt, I feel the same. I'm so happy. लेकिन ज़्यादा excitement नहीं दिखाऊंगा. Guys, we are heading out. We are all dressed up, planned out, and we are ready to go. Say again? I miss Kolkata. I miss Kolkata. Guys, we have finally come to Hava Darshan in Lakshmi Mandir. So, I are here. बहुत ही अच्छा लग रहा है, बहुत ही सुकून है. Look so, literally feel so nice. मुझे बहुत ज़रूरत थी. And I'm happy that I'm sharing this day with Aya.
पर सब ब्लर देखी ब्लर
दूँ तुझे?
नहीं, मुझे वो ड्रॉप से तो कुछ नहीं, मुझे वो चश्मा ही चेंज करना पड़ा. मैं सोचो क्या हालत हो गया.
ये तो चश्मा नहीं पहन के आई.
चश्मा बैग में है.
तू अंधी होते जा रही है.
चुप कर.
So guys, we came to this very nice puchka wale uncle, and he makes the best puchka. And I warn you, he knows your preference, so be very, cautious when you order for a tikha jhal wala puchka, because he makes the best puchka, and it's just opposite to the art cafe. There you see. भाई का नया फोन आया और भाई जा नहीं सकती फोन देखने के लिए. इट्स फर्स्ट आईफोन, बट सैड कि वो ये आईफोन देख नहीं सकती बिकॉज वो हमारे साथ है, लाइक मेरे साथ है. अपने आईफोन का अंदर वाले सैक्रिफाइस कर दिया. प्यार देख रहे हो, प्यार. प्रायोरिटी मैटर्स. प्रायोरिटी मैं हूँ. सीखो कुछ लोगों. Guys, turns out we have a lot of time and we decided on coming to the time zone, and now we're going to be doing some activities. Not like activities, not guys. Looks like थोड़ा तो आपकी बहन ने खर्चे कर लिए हैं. थोड़ा सा तो लॉस करना ही बनता है बिकॉज इट्स फ्लावर एंड सेल. तो मैंने थोड़े खर्चे तो कर लिए हैं और मुझे भी और कलेक्शंस दिख रहे हैं कि मैं शॉपिंग में देख रही हूँ. Well guys, we are kind of hungry and now it's time to have our dinner.
Indian food.
Good Indian food, she says. So let's try. We are gonna try the warehouse. And मैंने try किया है warehouse पहले, but I had this olio, whatever you pronounce it as. So I had that and it was okay-ish. Not a big fan of it. But now we're gonna try the Indian food here and let's see how it goes. But because the interior part, it's nice. So let's try it.
सिखाता हूँ मेरे पास डिवाइस है ना, मैं सिखाता हूँ, मैं फोटो लगाता हूँ, मीडिया स्टूडेंट है।
Guys, this is what we have ordered. Some pizza and skewers. Kiss. Good, so good.
यार डाल दो सब।
Food is good. I have to do a happy dance.
चिली फ्लेक्स सब अपने अपने हिसाब से डालना। मैं भूखा हूँ शायद इसलिए।
हाँ तो भूखा है। Okay, so after finally shopping and eating our food, it's finally time to head home. Home mane the hotel. So now Ayat and I are going back at our hotel. So day 1 is over here. And let's wait for day 2. Ayat, say bye. Bye guys. Guys, it's day 2 of us heading out. Here's to a cute cafe. To a cute cafe, and we have some activities planned for us.
So we are matching.
Yep, we are literally matching. Let's go. एक मिनट. Creative. Guys, we have come to this place known as 8091 Art Cafe. It's in Salt Lake, Kolkata. And we were just going through this events and things in Kolkata, and then we got to find about this one. And it's so nice. I'll show you the whole setup. And right now, since we have come in the morning, so in the afternoon to be precise, so it's very empty right now, and it's very cozy, has a very cozy vibe. And then you can do bracelet making, painting, whatever you choose for. So I pre-booked my slots with the District app, and right at 2 p.m. I'm here with my friend, and now we're gonna be making some bracelets. So we have decided our charms for Ayal. She has chosen this one. This is a swan. So every time she wears it, she will remember me. Obviously, she had to. And for me, she has gotten this beautiful. This one. Yep. That's like a love letter that we are giving each other. So I love it. Like, look at the setup. The people here are so nice. They literally said, please have something. Obviously, we paid. But they said, खाने के साथ साथ बनाते बनाते it will be good, more fun. So here's it. That's actually baby corn, garlic noodle, and some coffee. And then we are doing this.
Hey guys, I know this is a bit unusual. I'm not Sania, I'm Ayat, because Sania is very busy making bracelet for me. Guess what? I am done with the bracelet, and this is the bracelet I made. This says S and this says lover. If you can see it, this says lover because we are lover. इसको पीछे कैसे करते हैं?
पीछे तो वहाँ से नहीं कर पाएगी, तुझे कट करके फिर पीछे कर.
Okay. Now I'm going to show you what Sania is making for me. Look.
बोलूँ?
हाँ.
As I'm somewhere around this. The previous one that I made, it accidentally broke off, so I had to start from the very beginning. So I'm somewhat there. Wish me luck.
This is the food we are having. We are having noodles, cold coffee, and crisp chili baby corn.
Guys, finally the moment of truth that we all have been waiting for. After like 40 to 50 minutes, we finally managed, even though I broke one of those, but then I made it again, and this is what we have come across.
This is what I made for you.
This is what Ayat has made for me. These are neutral shades.
Sania made for me. It's very pretty, guys.
And this has a
Camera is
charm
not doing
here.
justice.
Wait, I'll show you. These are the results. This one is mine that I made for me, and this one is the one that I made for her. It says love you, babe. And this one is what she made for me. This says lover and has an S, has an S here. And then this is the charm. It's a love letter charm. Thank you so much. We did it, guys. These are so beautiful. Now we are supposed to wear. So let's see. This is something that you can do with your best friends as well, because come on, it's 2026 and now we're supposed to make something memorable for the friends that you always go to whenever you are sad, upset or everything. So you see these and you remember them by something. Thank you so much for this, Ayat. I love it.
Thank you.
So guys, finally after completing our bracelet making and stuff, we are heading to our next stop, which is something that I'm not gonna reveal right now. I wanted to do it since a while now, so that's it. So yes, here we go.
जब मेरे को पता है कि तेरा पेटीएम नहीं चला तो स्कैनर नहीं मांग कर पाएगी तो फिर मैं क्यों बुक कर।
Hi guys, so finally after like 1.5 hours we are here. This place is known as Sher Punjab Kola Ghat and I've heard about it a lot of times and I had to come here because honestly har koi aa raha hai, so I wanted to know what's this hype is all about, so I'm here and let's check the place. So there's a bird's nest, horse stable, and even a mandir sort of thing. Let's go. So abhi we have come here to eat. This place is called as Sher Punjab Dhaba. ये थोड़ी interiors में, and then you have a khatia kind of setup, and then you get inside. Okay, this is nice. Well, very sorry that I didn't show you the whole thing, like the place that we were eating and what do I say? The food, it was really nice, something that I didn't expect out of it, but oh my god, copyright.
Behavior. It's a very much Indian behavior. Dinner के बाद चाय.
So guys, this is what's the day today? 14 January 2026 and we guys are having chai
After dinner.
in front of Sher
Desi
Punjab.
behavior.
Very desi behavior.
यहाँ से बहुत लोग अभी होगा जो लोग कोलकाता से अभी जाएगा रात में।
Okay, it's time to say goodbye, Ayat.
Bye. I'm going to miss you. See you soon.
See you soon.